This steam mop from Shark provides seamless cleaning results with easy-to-control manoeuvrability. The useful click and flip technology allows you to easily change over the double-sided dirt grip cleaning pads without touching them, giving you twice the cleaning area just by flipping the mop head. Plus, the dirt grip pads can be washed after use, meaning you won't have to purchase replacements. Steam Blast utilises searing concentrated steam that is emitted directly from the nozzle, which is effective at removing stuck-on mess. After blasting the dirt, the head can be flipped back so you can effortlessly wipe away tough stains and stubborn residue. The lightweight design makes it easy to clean your home, and with swivel steering you can easily manoeuvre around furniture and other obstacles, allowing you to wipe your floors comfortably and without hassle. Clean with confidence with this Shark steam mop, effortlessly eradicating bacteria in your home.